Hi there, you're now watching Chinese with LTL, and I'm Mavis from Mandarin with Mavis. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。Happy birthday! Today we'll learn how to wish people a happy birthday, how to say your date of birth and your age, all in Mandarin Chinese in less than a few minutes. 生日快乐 is the greeting we use to wish people a happy birthday in Mandarin Chinese. 生 means birth, 日 means day. Together, 生日 means birthday. 快乐 means happy. 生日 is birthday, so 生日 plus 快乐 makes a happy birthday. 生日快乐。祝 is to wish. 你 is you. 祝你 is wishing you or to you in Mandarin Chinese. 祝你生日快乐 means happy birthday to you. You can just replace the lyrics happy birthday to you in the birthday song in English with 祝你生日快乐 in Mandarin Chinese and sing for your family, your friends, or yourself on the birthday. Now you know how to wish people a happy birthday in Mandarin Chinese, but do you know how to say your date of birth in the language? The good news is, it's easy to learn how to say the year, the month, and the day in Mandarin Chinese as long as you know how to count in the language. Let's start with the year, 年. 年 literally means year, and instead of placing the numerals after the year like in English, the year of 2024, in Mandarin Chinese we place the numerals before the word 年. For example, the year of 2024 would be 2024年. As for the numerals, simply pronounce them in the plain form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For example, the year of 1983 is 1983年, and the year of 2025 is 2025年. Quite straightforward, right? Now apply the same logic and you'll be able to master the month, 月. 月 means the month here, and same as the placement of the numerals in the year, in Mandarin Chinese, we place the number of the month before the word 月. For example, the month of May is 5月. We know there are only 12 months in a year. A refresher for you to count from 1 to 12 in Mandarin Chinese is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For example, January would be 1月 and September would be 9月. Moving into the date of the month, 日 with the same grammatical principle. 日 literally means the day, and you'll place the numerals before the word 日 to say the date of month in Mandarin Chinese. For example, the 26th date of the month would be 26日. The second date of the month would be 2日. In Mandarin Chinese, we're used to describing the dates with the order, the year, the month, and the day. If you were born on January 18th, 2005, you would say 2005年1月18日. It's hard not to talk about age when you're celebrating birthdays. How do you say your age in Mandarin Chinese? Simple! Apply the principles we learned earlier with the word 岁. You can think of 岁 as years old in English. When you say you're 18 years old, you're 18岁. So when is your birthday? Tell us in the comments in Mandarin Chinese. If you're looking for online or offline courses to learn Mandarin Chinese, go to ltl-school.com for more information. See you next time on Chinese with LTL. Bye!